Good morning, students. Welcome to our class. Now we'll start again the exercise 5.6, question number 8. Question number 7 तक हमने last time देखा था. Now we'll go ahead with the question number 8. That is the parametric form of equation. So parameter is in the given form is t. So what we will do, we'll find the first, that is dx by dt. A is constant, cos t derivative is minus sin t plus log की डेरिवेटिव होगी 1/10 t by 2. log x की डेरिवेटिव 1/x, तो log of this is 1/10 t by 2. 10 की डेरिवेटिव होगी sec square t by 2 and t by 2 की डेरिवेटिव होगी 1 by 2. That is the chain rule. 1, 2 and 3 function का combination है. Therefore 3 times you have to find the derivative. That is log is 1/10 is sec square t by 2 is 1 by 2. Understand? Then it is equal to a minus sin t plus. Now here it is sin upon cos. Cos ऊपर चला जाएगा. So that will write cos t by 2 upon sin t by 2, 1 upon cos square t by 2 into 1 by 2. So that cos is cancelled. Minus sin t plus this cos and 1 cos cancel. It is 1 upon cos sin and 2. So we write 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. You know what is this? It is sin t. It is the formula of sin t. Right? So, a minus sin t plus 1 upon sin t. That is, now take LCM. So, 1 minus sin square t upon sin t. A 1 minus sin square t is cos square t upon sin t. ऐसे ऐसे ही रहने दीजिए. Right? Then y is a sin t. So we'll find dy by dx. So dy by dx is what? A constant derivative of sin t is cos t. Now we'll find dy by dt. Now we'll find dy by dx. dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dt is a cos t. Here it is a cos square t and ऊपर जाएगा sin t. A cancel, cos t cancel. That is sin t upon cos t. So we'll write dy by dx is what? 10t. You understand that? By this way we can find the answer of parametric form. Here is थोड़ा सा लंबा है, but it is easier. Then find the answer. dy by dx is 10t. Understand that? Okay. Then we'll go on the question number 9. So here it is. Question number 9 is x equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta. I think it is over, right? ये हमने already कर दिया है. Extra sum में ये हमने कर लिया है. So we'll now going to repeat it. उसे फिर से repeat नहीं करेंगे. So then we'll move to the question number 10. So x equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta. Y is equal to a sin theta minus theta cos theta. ऐसा भी एक सम हमने एग्जाम्पल में किया है. But it is not repeating, so we'll do it. First of all, parameter कौन सा है? Theta. So we have to find the derivative with respect to theta. Right? So, first of all, we'll find dx by d theta. So, a is कांस्टेंट. नाउ cos थीटा है तो क्या लिखेंगे? cos थीटा की जगह पे माइनस साइन थीटा प्लस थीटा साइन थीटा. So here is the two function and its product. So what you have to use? Product rule. That is multiplication rule. What is it? Theta constant. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Plus sin theta constant. Derivative of theta is 1. So here sin theta and sin theta will be cancelled. Plus minus 0. So dx by d theta a theta cos theta. Understand? Okay. Now y is given, so we'll find dy by d theta. A is constant. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta minus. Now here theta and cos theta, that you will use the product rule. So theta constant. Okay. And derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. अब यहाँ पे प्लस आता है, but here it is minus, so minus plus minus हो जाएगा. We'll directly change the sign so that here is minus. Cos theta constant. Derivative of theta is 1. So here cos theta and cos theta will be cancelled. A minus minus plus theta sin theta. That is our dy by d theta. Now you will find dy by dx, dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Now dy by d theta is a theta sin theta upon dx by d theta is a theta cos theta. A theta cancel. So what is the answer here? Tan theta is our dy by dx. You understand that? That is our question number 10. Okay, right? Now we'll go ahead with the question number 11. Question number 11 is, if x is equal to a raised to sin inverse t and y is equal to a raised to cos inverse t, show that dy by dx is minus y by x. Okay. Now देख के ऐसा लगता है यार ये कितनी बड़ी है, पहले स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे, फिर ए रेस टू करेंगे, फिर उसका साइन इनवर्स का करेंगे, राइट? सो इट इज टू बोरिंग, इट इज टू लेंथी, बट आई हैव एन ट्रिक टू मेक इट शॉर्टर. उसको बहुत शॉर्ट बनाने का एक रास्ता है. यू कैन डू इट बाय द टू वे. वन इज स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ द साइड, तो एक्स स्क्वायर एंड वाई स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. देन फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी, राइट? तो हो जाता है, बट इट इज टू लेंथी. वन ट्रिक मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. आपको तो सिर्फ यही लाना है, dy by dx इक्वल टू माइनस y by x. सो आई विल डू हियर इट इज, सपोज x इंटू वाई करते हैं. x इंटू वाई दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करो तो क्या होगा? a रेस टू साइन इनवर्स t एंड a रेस टू cos inverse t, ऐसा हो जाएगा. ओके, the base is same, so a raised to sin inverse t plus cos inverse t ऐसा हो जाएगा. sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is what? सेकेंड चैप्टर में हमने किया था. It is equal to pi by 2, right? So that is under root a raised to pi by 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now x into y is equal to this आ गया हमारे पास. Now we'll find the derivative on both the side. Here is the what? Product rule. dy by dx find करना है तो derivative with respect to x on both the side. So that x constant, derivative of y is dy by dx plus y constant, derivative of x is 1, is equal तो दिस इज होल टर्म इज कांस्टेंट, क्योंकि हम x के फाइंड कर रहे हैं डेरिवेटिव, तो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x है, इट इज द कांस्टेंट, सो डेरिवेटिव इज 0. Simply we got dy by dx is minus y by x. It is the simplest way to do this sum, right? But अगर आपको ये मेथड नहीं करनी है तो आप क्या करेंगे? What you will do here? X square and y square. Then find the derivative on both the side. It is थोड़ा सा लेंदी होगा but आंसर आ जाएगा. But no need to do it क्योंकि ये एक easiest way है सम करने के लिए. Understand that? Okay. Then this is our question number 11. Okay, so this is the end of exercise 5.6. Now we'll do some extra sums for practice of parametric equations, parametric form of derivatives, right? So first we will do that, then we'll go ahead with the extra sums. Okay, now here is some extra sums given for you for the more practice of parametric form of the equation. Here it is x equal to a sin cube theta and y is equal to b sin cube theta. You have to find dy by dx. Theta is the parameter, so we'll find the derivative with respect to theta, right? So first of all, question number 1, we'll find dx by d theta. So a is constant. First of all, find derivative 3 sin square theta into cos theta. And dy by d theta, that is b 3 cos square theta into minus sin theta. Then dy by dx, dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So here it is 3b cos square theta and sin theta. Here is 3a sin square theta and cos theta. 3 will be cancelled, cos theta and sin theta cancelled. So b upon a cot theta, right? This is our answer. I think it is repeating, right? But don't worry, do it again. Question number 2. X is equal to e raised to theta into this and y is equal to this. So here again you will find the derivative with respect to theta. So we'll use the product rule here. What is the product rule? Here is one function and the bracket is another function. So first of all, dx by d theta is equal to, what is it? E raised to theta constant. d by d theta of theta plus 1 upon theta plus theta plus 1 upon theta constant, d by d theta of e raised to theta. First constant derivative of second, second constant derivative of first. That is our product rule. Is equal to here e raised to theta. What is the derivative here? Theta की derivative 1 और 1 upon theta की derivative minus 1 upon theta square. Yes or no? Yes. 1 upon x तो minus 1 upon x square. 1 upon theta तो minus 1 upon theta square. Plus again theta plus 1 upon theta constant. And derivative of e raised to theta is e raised to theta. So that here is there may be some simplification. Is there any simplification? No. So ऐसे ही रहने दो इसे. Now dy by d theta is equal to, what is it? E raised to minus theta constant. d by d theta of theta minus 1 upon theta plus theta minus 1 upon theta constant. d by d theta of e raised to minus theta. So here it is 1 और इसकी डेरिवेटिव होगी minus 1 upon theta square. So it is plus 1 upon theta square. Understand that? Plus ये constant. Here is the derivative होगी e raised to minus theta into minus 1. Why? ये माइनस थीटा की डेरिवेटिव है. थीटा होता तो डेरिवेटिव 1 होती, पर माइनस थीटा है इसलिए डेरिवेटिव -1 होगी, तो हमें लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. इज द चेन रूल. नाउ दिस इज फाइनल डेरिवेटिव e रेज टू माइनस थीटा 1/1 प्लस थीटा स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस माइनस theta minus 1 upon theta e raised to minus theta, right? So this is dy by d theta. We'll find dy by d. So if we find dy by dx is equal to, so dy by d theta ये है e raised to minus theta. If I take e raised to minus theta constant from both the term, what happened? 1 plus 1 upon theta square minus theta minus minus plus 1 upon theta. Yes or no? Okay. Upon dx by d theta, उसमें से e raised to theta हम टू टर्म्स में से कॉन्स्टेंट कैन कॉमन ले लेंगे 1 माइनस 1 upon theta square plus theta plus 1 upon theta. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then here it is e raised to minus 2 theta हो जाएगा. तो LCM क्या होगा? ऊपर नीचे थीटा स्क्वायर, वो थीटा स्क्वायर कैंसिल. थीटा स्क्वायर विल बी कैंसिल. सो व्हाट इज द LCM हियर? थीटा स्क्वायर. सो क्या आ जाएगा? थीटा स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस थीटा क्यूब प्लस थीटा अपॉन थीटा स्क्वायर माइनस 1 plus theta cube plus theta. Okay? Yes. So here we'll write, उसको अगर अरेंज करके लिखना है तो 1 plus theta plus theta square minus theta cube. Here डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिख दो. theta cube plus theta square plus theta minus 1. Understand that? So by this way we can find the derivative of this parameter theta के form में. Now we'll move to the question number 3. In question number 3, again the parameter is given in the form of theta. So theta के form में जब दिया है, so we'll find the derivative of this x and y in the form of theta with respect to theta. So dx by d theta and dy by d theta. So that first of all dx by d theta. Here is the derivative of 3 cos theta. Cos theta की derivative क्या हो जाएगी? Minus sin theta. So we'll write minus 3 sin theta minus 2 is constant. First we'll find the derivative of this cube. तो वो होगा 3 cos square theta, right? Into 3 cos square theta. फिर derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. This is the chain rule. Is equal to minus 3 sin theta minus 6 cos square theta sin theta. Okay? Yes. So we can take minus 3 sin theta common. So 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Yes, it is 1 plus 2 cos square theta. It is minus minus plus. So what is it? If you take minus 3 sin theta common, right? तो क्या हो जाएगा? We'll take here, हम कॉमन लेते हैं 3 sin थीटा, तो हो जाएगा 2 cos square theta minus 1 3 sin theta. You know 2 cos square theta minus 1 is the formula of, ये किसकी फॉर्मूला है? Yes, tell me. It is cos 2 theta. Yes. So therefore dx by d theta ये मिला. Now we'll find dy by d theta. So first of all derivative of sine is cos theta minus 2. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन क्यूब थीटा फाइंड करना है. सो पहले पावर की डेरिवेटिव फिर बेस की डेरिवेटिव. सो पावर की डेरिवेटिव होगी 3 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा एन एक्स रेज टू एन माइनस वन इंटू बेस की डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगी कॉस थीटा. नाउ विल टेक 3 cos theta minus 6 sin square theta cos theta. What is it? 3 cos theta will be common. So it is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Again now you tell me 1 minus 2 sin square theta ये किसकी फॉर्मूला है? 1 minus 2 sin square theta is the formula of, ये किसकी फॉर्मूला है? cos 2 theta की. So 3 cos theta into cos 2 theta. Now we'll get dy by d theta. So that we will find dy by dx. dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. What is our dy by d theta? 3 cos theta cos 2 theta. Here is 3 sin theta cos 2 theta. Cancel. Cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta. So what is the answer for dy by dx? It is cot theta. You understand that? By this way we find the derivative. Now the question number 4. Here question number 4 is given that x equal to 3 sin t minus sin 3t. Y is equal to 3 cos t minus cos 3t. And you have to find this dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 3. Now, first we will find dy by dx and wherever it is t, you will write the value pi by 3. Right? It is easy. So, first of all, is fourth sum dx by dt. Now our parameter is t. That means what? We will find the derivative with respect to t, right? So, dx by dt, that is 3 cos t. Sin t की derivative cos t minus. What is the derivative of sin 3t? Now you tell me. Derivative of sin is cos. So, cos 3t. बोलो it is over? No, it is chain rule. 3t बाकी है. यहाँ पे only t था, तो cos t हो गया. Here it is 3t. So derivative of 3t is 3. अंदर 3 बाकी बचेगा. Now dy by dt. So derivative of cos t minus sin t. So here 3 is constant. So will become minus 3 sin t minus cos of 3t की डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगी? Minus sin 3t into 3. Right? By the chain rule. So, minus minus plus will take here 3 sin 3t minus 3 sin t. Right? Okay. So, we have to find dy by dx. So, dy by dx, that is dy by dt upon dx by dt. Now, dy by dt is 3 sin 3t minus 3 sin t upon 3 cos t minus 3 cos 3t. Now we have to simplify this, right? अगर simplify नहीं करेंगे तो we'll write the direct value. No need to simplify anything, right? So, पर value रखने से पहले अगर simplify किया तो थोड़ा easy होगा. Otherwise, you have to simplify after putting the values. So that here is 3 sin. What is the formula for sin 3t? It is 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Okay, रहने दीजिए. चलो. No need to simplify. After अगर simplify करना पड़ेगा, then we'll do it. So t is equal to, we'll write dy by dx एट t इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3। आपको dy by dx की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है एट t इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3। सो 3 sin 3, instead of t we'll write pi by 3, 3 sin pi by 3 upon here 3 cos pi by 3, 3 cos 3 into pi by 3, that is equal to what happened? 3 cancel, 3 sin pi minus 3. What is the value of sin pi by 3? Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 upon here it is sin cos pi by 3 1 by 2 and 3 cancel, 3 cos pi, that is sin pi will be 0, so it is minus 3 root 3 by 2 upon this is 3 by 2 minus cos pi is minus 1, so it becomes plus 3. So now we'll take 2 LCM, that is equal to minus 3 root 3 by 2 upon 3 2 is 6 plus 3 9 by 2. So 2 cancel, 3 is 9 minus root 3 by 3, it is minus 1 by root 3. Our answer will be minus 1 by root 3, right? Okay. Another way is doing that sum is, अगर आपको ऐसे डायरेक्ट वैल्यू नहीं रखनी है then we'll simplify. So यहाँ से क्या होगा और another method is there, that is here is 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t minus 3 sin t upon 3 cos t minus 3 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. Like that you have to write the values. अगर आप ऐसे वैल्यू रखते हैं एंड सिंप्लीफाई, और अगर सिंप्लीफाई करने में 3 कॉमन लेके हमने कैंसल कर दिया, 3 तो कॉमन है, so take 3 common. Now what? Here it is 3 sin t minus sin t, 2 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Here is 3, here is minus 4 cos cube t minus plus 4 cos t, right? So इधर से भी 2 कॉमन लेके कैंसल किया एंड देन यू विल राइट द वैल्यू। पर ये क्या हो रहा है, लंबा हो रहा है, सो नो नीड, हमें सिर्फ dy by dx फाइंड करने को बोला है तो यहीं तक करेंगे। बट अगर सिर्फ dy by dx फाइंड करना होता तो ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा, पर एट t इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3 है तो ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन की जरूरत नहीं है। We'll directly write the value t is equal to pi by 3 and get the answer minus 1 by root 3. You understand that? So this is the question number 4. Okay. Now, the fifth sum is x is equal to t square and y is equal to t cube. Then you have to find the derivative, that is dy by dx. So how you will find it? That is, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड dx by dt, क्योंकि पैरामीटर t में है, dx by dt क्या हो जाएगा, t स्क्वायर है तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ t स्क्वायर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t इज 2t, देन dy by dt क्या हो जाएगा 3t स्क्वायर, देन dy by dx इज dy by dt upon dx by dt. So 3t square upon 2t. So we'll write 3 by 2t. Yes or no? Yes, this is the answer. This is all objective type questions. Parametric equation 2 marks में आता है और साथ में objectives में भी आता है. Now here it is sixth one है 80 cube. So dx by dt is equal to, what is it, 3at square. Y is equal to 2at square. So dy by dt is 480. T square है तो 2t. 2a constant becomes 480. Yes or no? Yes. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. So dy by dt is 480 and here it is 380 square. So a cancel, 1t is cancel. What happened? 4 by 3t. Right? So this is the answer. Now question number 7 है that parameter is in the form of theta. So what you will do here, theta के form में है तो dx by d theta. So a constant, derivative of cos is minus sin 2 theta into, here is again the chain rule, 2 theta की डेरिवेटिव आपको करनी पड़ेगी, that is into 2. Then dy by d theta, b is constant, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन इज cos. जब आप साइन की डेरिवेटिव करते हैं तो 2 थीटा ऐसे ही रहने दो, फिर 2 थीटा की डेरिवेटिव करो, दैट इज 2. नाउ विल फाइंड dy by dx. dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Right? Now dy by d theta क्या है? 2b cos 2 theta. dx by d theta क्या है? minus 2a sin 2 theta. 2 will be cancelled. So the final answer क्या मिल जाएगा? minus b upon a cot 2 theta. You understand that? Okay. So here is the question number 7. So by this way, this parametric form of equation जो है वो 1 mark and 2 marks में बोर्ड में बहुत बार पूछा गया है. It is very much important topic for MCQ and 1-2 mark question. So keep in mind, make practice of that sums. It is the easiest method of this chapter. ये सबसे easy method है, but trigonometry में थोड़ा सा formula आपको याद रखना होगा. Understand that what I am saying? Okay. So now here is the end of our lecture for the parametric form of the equation. In the next lecture, we'll go ahead with the next topic of this chapter, and that is what? Here it is second order derivative. Okay. So first order derivative में हमने क्या क्या देखा है? Which is the topic? That is logarithm से हम कैसे करेंगे डेरिवेटिव. पहले तो कंटिन्यूटी देखी थी, राइट? देन द चेन रूल, देन इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन के बाद डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन एक्स एंड वाई जो एक साथ आते हैं. सो वील हैव टेकन एक्स एंड वाई वाले सारे फंक्शंस को हम बोलेंगे इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन. पहले चेन रूल आया, फिर इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन आया, फिर इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्री फंक्शन आया. इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के बाद लॉगरिदमिक फंक्शंस एंड एक्सपोनेंशियल गैप. लॉगरिदम कब लेना है? जब मोर देन 2 और 3 प्रोडक्ट्स द होल पावर रेज टू 1/2 ऐसे लिया है, जैसे हमने लास्ट में किया था. तो लॉग लेके कैसे करना है? लॉगरिदम वाले फंक्शन जब दिए होते हैं तब. और अब हमने आज किया पैरामेट्रिक फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन. ये सारी डेरिवेटिव्स जब एक साथ होती है देन यू शुड नो कि ये डेरिवेटिव कैसे होगी. सो नाउ दिस इज द एंड ऑफ आवर सेशन. देन इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल डू द डबल ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव, सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. और सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव से करने से पहले वी विल गो टू द मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज. उसके जितने भी सम्स है अब तक के वो सारे हम करेंगे जो कि रिवीजन ऑफ दिस ऑल टॉपिक्स है. देन विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? ओके. सो अंटिल दैट यू रिवाइज ऑल द टॉपिक्स, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में सारे टॉपिक्स हम एक साथ में लेने वाले हैं. सो टिल देन गुड बाय, टेक केयर, राइट?